Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. This is the first episode of Python tutorial. In this episode, we're going to learn how to install Python and Jupyter Notebook. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe it. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it. It will be a great support. Let's begin. Okay, in order to install Python, you just need to bring Google page and just write Python and hit enter. Okay, the first page is python.org. We click on that, and right here on this tab, downloads, there are various platforms that you can download Python for. We want to try it for Windows. We click on Windows, and here is Python releases for Windows. And you can actually select whatever you want. For example, I want to select the latest one, and here Windows installer, and it is downloading here, and we wait until the install is completed. Okay, now the install is completed. I click on the file, and I don't need this anymore. Okay, as you see here, you just need to click on install now and it will be installed. And don't forget to add Python to path, and we will need this because I have installed Python before. I do not install it again. You just need to click in here. I click cancel. Now your Python is actually installed. We want to install Jupyter Notebook. Okay, there are two different ways for installing Jupyter Notebook. And here's the first way. You click on this PC and go to localdisk C. Okay, and here go to users file, and here you just click this file. Actually, this name is different for you because of your account. And I click on here, and here you just need to go to view and check this actually item, hidden items, and look for app data. That's here, and click on local, and you must look for programs. Programs, that's here, and here you click on Python again, and scripts. Okay, and now you just need to click on this tab and write CMD and hit enter. Okay, now this terminal is opened. You just need to write pip install Jupyter. Okay, and hit enter. It will be installed automatically. Okay, and because I have installed it before, I do not install it again. So this is the first way. And if you do not succeed in installing Jupyter, and try the next way of installing. Okay, in order to install Jupyter, you just need to write Anaconda. Okay, and the first page, Anaconda, you click here, and on top of the page here, get started, and download Anaconda installers. Okay, according to your operating system, you can download Anaconda for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and you just need to download it and click on install. It will be installed. Now, after Anaconda is installed, you go to Start tab and write Anaconda Navigator, and you click on this. Okay, now this page appears, and you click on okay. So in here you can install each one that you want. Okay, so you can install Jupyter Notebook. You just need to click on install and it will be installed. And here I just click on launch because I've installed this Jupyter before. I just need to click on launch. But if you haven't installed, you just need to first install and then launch the app. Okay, now Jupyter is launched, and you want to, for example, open new project. You just need to go here on new and click on Python, and it is ready to actually start coding. For example, let's test it. I write print welcome. Okay, and if you want to execute this code, you need to hold shift and click enter. It is working. Okay, let's leave. And if you want to open Anaconda again for the next time, you don't need to go there. You just need to hit start and open command prompt. Okay, and just write Jupyter Notebook and hit enter. Okay, here you see it is open now. And if you want to shut it down, use Ctrl and C. It is shut down. Okay, now you know how to install Jupyter Notebook and Python. I hope it was useful for you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe it, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it. Bye for now.